9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Callisburg, or near Whitesboro, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Denison, Whitesboro, Pottsboro, Callisburg, Millwood, Eisenhower State Park, Southern Lake Texoma, South Main, and Sadler. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near the southern portion of Lake Texoma, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.